Okay, so for this one, this video tutorial, we're going to talk about uploading files and images as well. But only in this one we're going to talk about files. We'll talk about images right after this and the next one. But on the topic of files and images, before we get to assets and getting into that, just to let you know about some settings that affect files and images. We go to System and Sites. This is a per site kind of thing, where you can click into the site to edit. And if you scroll down, you get file, site, image, and file settings. So you expand that, and you're able to really control a lot of what goes on with the site in regards to image formats, file formats, sizes, and things like that. So at the top, you can, allow, and this is if you start setting up multiple users that maybe don't have access to the admin side of things, but they can still upload assets. Maybe you just want to allow them to upload certain kinds of images, certain kinds of files. You can set all that here, or you can just leave it, to any. And then for images, you have the option to create up to 3 sizes. And the default is it'll resize. The largest image will be resized down to 640 pixels of the largest dimension. Medium images will be cropped to 120 by 120 square, and then the smallest images will be cropped to 60 by 60 square. And at the same time, you can also set image and file size, a max image and file size, to keep people from trying to upload files that are just way too big. So those are some image and file settings you can set per site, which is useful. And so once you're ready to go ahead and upload some files, we're just going to focus on files on this tutorial. You can click Add Files, and it's really simple. You can add them to a section if you have a section of files that you got. And you can click this plus button here and add more than one file at a time. So we've got this test Word doc and this test Word PDF that I just created. And we'll go ahead and upload them. And that was fast, very easy. And you can just click back on it to edit the information or upload a new file. Or if you want to just download a file and see what it looks like, you can there. And that's how you upload files. Very, very simple.